Hello everyone. Today I'm checking out this electric spin scrubber. This is the box that it came in. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it all comes with. Okay, so the items that came in the box were the scrubber, a user guide, flat brush, sponge brush, scouring pad, corner brush, and a cashmere cover. And then you got your charging cable over here. So all kinds of different brushes to just do different corners, different counters, different spaces that you need to get to. Initial thoughts on the scrubber itself is it's not too heavy and it has a nice grip on it. Let's go ahead and put it on and see what it sounds like. So not too noisy. That blue light indicates that it's on. And then you just push it again to turn it off. Let's go ahead and take this scrubber and use some of these tools and see how they do. So I have a corner attachment here that I'm going to use in this shower. Okay, so the next attachment I'm going to use is this brush here, and I'm just going to try to clean out this holder here. Okay, so next I'm going to use this scouring pad to do the stove. Okay, so now I have the sponge attachment, and I'm going to try it on this window. Okay, and then the last attachment I'm going to use is the duster. So I'm actually going to just dust an item. Okay, so all in all, using the scrubber, sure to be doing it just by hand. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope y'all have a great day.